For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brooklyn Quintana and I'm an author. And if you've seen my videos before, you may be a bit confused as to where I am. Hopefully the setting has indicated that this is going to be a bit of a different kind of video. I have set myself a challenge. Whether I accomplish it or not, well, we'll just see. But really the goal here is I'm gonna run a half marathon. And you may think, well, this is a silly challenge. Of course, anybody could run a half marathon, just get out there and go train. But here's the thing. I recently had my third knee surgery in September of 2024, and I'm still recovering. So running and everything, I have to get back into it. I did my first run after surgery last week, and I managed to do a 5K in 38 minutes, so not terrible, but getting up to 13.1 miles is going to be a challenge. So I'm making this video series, and it's not only to keep myself accountable, but to hopefully have people along for the ride and to show that if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. That all sounds very optimistic because this is day one and I actually don't know if I'm going to be successful, but I'm going to do my absolute best. With all that being said, guys, thank you so much for coming along on this journey and let's go on an adventure together. Let's get to running. More realistically, it's probably like let's get to limping and hopefully limping at a quick pace, but we'll see how it goes.
No sleep till
Okay, not my fastest run by a mile, pun absolutely intended. For reference, before I had knee surgery, I was still injured, but I hadn't had surgery yet. I had consistently been able to run 9-minute miles for between 4 to 6 miles. Today I only ran 3 miles at a 12-minute something pace, so really slow, but like I said, really slow, but it'll get better over time, still recovering, so let's do this. Actually on pace to do about 20-25 seconds faster than my run on Wednesday, but around mile 2.5, my right leg, which was the leg I had surgery on in September, started feeling like it was moving on rusted hinges. It was creaking and it felt really weird and shaky, and like every time I was bending my knee, like it felt like sandpaper and like creaky hinges, like I said, like on rusted hinges. So that slowed me down a little bit, but still got my under 40-minute 5K, so at least I'm staying consistent with that. But hopefully my next few runs I will be able to keep the distance, get quicker, and try and get to about 3.5 miles in 40 minutes. That's the next goal. So incrementally, it's hard when you've had 3 knee surgeries, but I'm trying, and I think at this point, you know, trying is really half the battle. Getting my knees to cooperate is the other half, but I'm gonna keep going. Let's go. We can totally do this. Hey guys, it is me coming to you from Sonic with Tom. I came, got him some chicken strips, and of course my pre-writing Sprite Zero with light ice. I just wanted to do a quick video wrapping up week 1. I did not get to run as much as I would have liked, but balancing my professional life and my personal life along with this running goal and rehabbing my knee and of course sleeping is a balancing act that I'm still working on. But I did run and I was really happy to get out there and be able to get moving and try and build back up to where I was before. The scar tissue building up in my knee, making this creaking sound. Yes, I mentioned it in one of my videos during the week that it actually slowed me down during one of my runs because it was like an alarming noise and it felt like sandpaper scraping over my bones. I did Google it. I haven't called my orthopedist yet because I don't want him to think I'm a hypochondriac. So I Googled it and it said it was scar tissue. So hopefully that's the only problem I'm having and I can keep moving forward, keep doing better and go a little further and a little faster each time. So I will catch you guys for week 2 of this journey. And thank you guys so much for sticking around. Subscribe, like, leave comments. Are you guys runners? Maybe get to running. It's pretty fun and it's great for your mental health and your physical health. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm hopped up on caffeine and I got a lot of work to do. So thank you guys again and have a great week, night, wherever you're watching this. Have a good time. Have a good life. I'll see you next week.
No sleep till